Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video. And today I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase and install an eSIM for Nicaragua. This is very easily done using the first link you're going to see down in the description of this video below. You are going to go and be able to open up that link and it's going to take you to the official eSIM platform right here, from where we can get started with purchasing and installing the eSIM. So you can use the eSIM website or the application on your mobile phone. It's going to work exactly the same, but it's going to look like this once you open it up, from where we can get started with choosing the plan that we want to use for our eSIM. You can select any of the plans available right here. If there is an unlimited plan, you can also go ahead and click on it. So after which you can click checkout to go to the payment page. You can go and skip any options right here and then just click choose a payment method to choose your payment method of choice. Let's say we want to use PayPal, and then you can click the pay button to make the purchase successfully. Once you have made the purchase, we can get started with following the steps right here on the official website of eSIM on how to get started with installing it. So if you're using your iPhone or Android, doesn't matter. It's a pretty similar installation process. On iPhone, you're going to go ahead and open up the iOS application, after which you're going to go to the eSIM page and click install. So once you click the install eSIM button, you can click the add cellular plan option. That's going to enable you to install it, so the installation process should not be interrupted. Click add cellular plan, after which you can follow the on-screen instructions. You can label your data plan as eSIM for easy identification, and after which, if you want to start using the plan immediately, you can choose the newly added eSIM to get started with using it. There is also an option of scanning the QR code, so you can open up your device settings, tap on cellular, and click choose add cellular plan, which is going to enable you to use the QR code option to go and scan it directly from the application and install it that way. You can also follow the similar instructions on the Android platform, so everything is available on their website. You can open up the application, click help and the eSIM installation, after which you can press the install eSIM now, and this is going to enable you to wait for the process to end, after which you can go ahead and add it to your mobile plan. You also have the option to scan the QR code into settings, the connections, and SIM card manager. Click add mobile plan and then scan the QR code from the application, just like on iPhone. And this is how it's done. So there you have it. Go into the description of this video right now, open up the link, and get started with purchasing your eSIM today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.